As a homeowner, you want to make sure that your roof is taken care of properly. When a roofer comes out to do repairs or replacements, you want that certainty that the job was done correctly and is going to last a long time. Sadly, with some roofers, that's not always the case. In this video, we're going to be going over what can go wrong if your shingles aren't nailed properly. I'm Bill Reagan with Bill Reagan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. What can go wrong if shingles aren't installed properly? If shingles aren't nailed properly, they can actually slide down your roof. And this happens more at night when they're cooling and they slide down and hit your gutter and wake up everyone in the whole house. Also, a gust of wind can come through and take shingles off, leaving areas exposed and vulnerable to leaks. If you have shingles sliding down or have had shingles blow off, you could have open areas on your roof that could cause leaks. Also, if shingles are nailed too low and nail heads are exposed, then eventually water is going to get in those nail heads due to the improper nailing pattern. If a roof isn't nailed properly according to the manufacturer's specs and there's a problem with the roof system, the manufacturer could void the warranty just for the simple fact that it was not installed properly. If a gust of wind comes through and blows shingles off your roof and you file an insurance claim and an adjuster comes out and finds that the roof was not installed properly or nailed in the correct spot, that could void your insurance claim and you would be out of pocket for the damages. What are the most common causes of improper roof installation? Improper nailing location normally occurs when your roofers are in too big of a hurry and they're not really paying attention where they're nailing on the shingle. Most commonly, they nail too high instead of down low enough to catch that laminated part on the back of the shingles. Now, to go from 110 mile per hour warranty, which is a standard warranty out of the wrapper on most shingles, to go to 130 mile per hour warranty, you have to 6 nail it, and it's a specific pattern where that nail goes. It's also very important to have the pressure on your air tank controlled to where you don't have too much pressure. Too much pressure and the nails are going to be driven through the shingle. Not enough pressure and the nails are going to be standing up a little bit, not flush with the shingle. It's also very important that the shingles don't go in at an angle which leaves a little bit of the head sticking up, where eventually it's going to wear through the shingle. So you want your nails flush, not out, not through, and not at an angle. A lot of roofers don't pay attention to what size nail that you need to hold the shingles properly, or they'll use staples. Most architectural shingles require an 1.25 inch nail. Some of the luxury shingles require an 1.5 inch nail, and then some of the ridge capping requires a 2-inch nail or even a 3-inch nail if you're nailing shingles into ridge vent. Can you tell if your shingles are improperly installed? Slipped shingles are the main way to tell visibly if your shingles aren't installed properly. And what'll happen, they'll start slipping, sometimes just one, or sometimes even in sheets, sliding down the roof. And that's the first sign that your shingles were not installed properly. The only true way to know if your shingles were nailed properly is to break the seal and lift that shingle up and inspect where the nail line is. And that's super invasive to the shingles. We try to avoid that at all costs. It's much better to get it done correctly, and then you don't have to worry about going through these steps. Thanks for watching. We hope you see in this video how important it is to have your shingles nailed properly. If you're seeing signs of neglect or that your roof was installed improperly, watch our video on how to hire a reputable roofing contractor. If you're in the Nashville area and need a roofer, look us up at billraganroofing.com. Remember, like and subscribe so we can share this content with other homeowners and professionals like yourself. I'm Bill Reagan with Bill Reagan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. We'll see you on the next one. Quiet on the set. Quiet! Please.